Hello, this is Graham at ExcelGo. Welcome to the ExcelGo tutorial for using text functions in Excel. I'm going to explain the use of 5 text functions: len, left, right, mid, and trim. I've created examples of each formula and will show you what each does and how to use it. Firstly, I will talk through the len function. This counts the number of characters in a cell, including blank spaces. So if we click into cell E3 and look in the formula bar, we can see that there is only one element to this function, and that is a cell reference to the text you want to know the number of characters of. If we click on the FX next to the formula bar, we can see that we're just being asked for one cell reference, and we're looking at D3, which contains the text ExcelGo tutorials, and below it returns the number of characters, which in this instance is 23. Next, I will talk about the left function. This enables you to take a specified number of characters from a cell beginning on the left side of the characters. There are two elements to the left function. If we click the FX next to the formula bar again, we'll see both elements. So again, we're being asked for text. So this is the cell that we want to take characters from. So we're using D4, which again contains ExcelGo tutorials. And the second element is the number of characters, and we're saying we want to take the first 7 characters, and that returns ExcelGo. They're the first 7 characters in that cell. So next I will talk about the right function. It's set up as the same as the left function, but this enables you to take a specified number of characters from the cell, beginning at the rightmost character. Again, there's two elements to the right function, so we'll click on the FX to take a look. So one is text, so in this case we'll use cell D5, which contains the text Excel tutorials, and number of characters, we want to take 3. So we're saying we want to take the last 3 characters of that cell, which in this case is the letters ALS. The next function I will explain is the mid function. So this is like an extension of the left function, and what this enables you to do is take a specified number of characters, but also specify the start position as well. So if we look in the formula bar for this function, you'll see that there are now 3 elements. So if we click on FX, you'll see the text is cell D6. The second element is start number. So that's the position in the text that we want to start taking our characters from. So we've said we want to start at character number 6. And then the third element is the number of characters. We're saying we want to return 2 characters from our designated start position. So this will return the word go. So if you look here, our 6th character, our start position is the letter G. We want to take 2 characters from here, so that's G and O. And that gives us our result of go. And the last function I will explain is the trim function, and what this does is remove any white spaces from a cell apart from a single white space or blank space in between words. So if we look in D7, this time you'll see that there's a number of blank spaces before our words begin. So here we've used the trim function, and you'll see that those blank spaces have been removed. If you click on the FX next to the formula bar, you'll see that the only element we enter is the text that we want to trim, which in this case is in cell D7. So to the right here, you'll see the text in D7, which is those blank spaces, followed by our words, and then you'll see the result of the trim text below. So any blank spaces, apart from single spaces between words, have been removed. That is all for those. Thank you for watching the ExcelGo tutorial about text functions.